Hello, my dear students. Today we will study the third chapter of a computer. That is, how does a computer work? A computer cannot work on its own. We need to enter letters, numbers, pictures, and instructions into the computer to make it work. These are called data. A computer system consists of many parts that makes the computer work. These parts are divided into input devices like keyboard and mouse, output devices like monitor and printer, and the CPU where all the memories is present and the data is processed. So these parts of a computer do different tasks. To do any work on a computer, we have to follow these three simple steps. Step 1, input. Step 2, process. And step 3, output. This is called an IPO cycle. So let's take one example of IPO cycle. So here, dirty clothes and washing powder are the input. And washing these dirty clothes in a washing machine is processing. And finally, what we get is the clean clothes, that is output. Now, let us understand these steps by taking an example of our body. When a teacher asks us a question, we hear with our ears and see with our eyes. The ears and eyes are the input units. Our brain stores everything that a teacher says. Then it thinks of an answer and orders us to speak. In this way, the brain works like a processing unit. When we answer with our mouth, it works like an output unit. Now, let us understand how this IPO cycle works on a computer. Input. The data and instructions that we enter into a computer are called input. We input data using a keyboard and mouse. Process. Working on the data is called processing. The CPU works on the data and does all the thinking and calculations. Output. Output means the final result. When the CPU finishes processing the data, the output is displayed on the monitor. Monitor and printer are the most common output devices. Now, let us understand the working of a computer with an example. The data and instructions together are the input. Here, 2 and 5 are the data and plus is the instruction. Now the CPU will work on the data according to the instructions. That is, it will add the number 2 and 5. Finally, the 7 is the correct result or output of the sum.